children, I hope everyone is fine. Let me start our mathematics class. I hope everybody is practicing exercise 2.1 up to 6th problem. Next, let me continue 7th problem. The 7th main is, you can see here, they have given in each of the following pair of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. Also write with the appropriate sign greater than, lesser than, between them. We have to find out which is the left of the other number on the number line, and also we have to put the appropriate sign between the number. Now you can see here the first problem they have given, that is 530 and 503. Among these number is which is the smallest number we have to find out, and we have to find out which is the left of the other number. Now you can see here, if you consider the number line will begin from 0, 1, 2, so on 100, so on 200, so on 300, so on 400, so on. Next you are going to get 503. After 503, after few numbers you are going to get what? 530. This is left side of the number line, and this is right side of the number line. This is right side of the number line. Now you can observe here 503 comes left of the 530. 503 occur left of the 530. Then we conclude that the smallest number will comes left of the greatest number. The smallest numbers will come left of the greatest number. Then 503 is the smallest number. 503 comes left of the 530. Therefore, 503 is on the left of 530. 503 is on the left of 530. Therefore, 503 is lesser than 530. If you put to sign means 503 is lesser than 530. Next we will move on to next column. They have given, that is 370 and 307. By observing itself, we can say that here I have already explained which is the smallest number, that is comes left of the greatest number. You can observe here 307 is smallest number compared to 370. Therefore 307 is on the left of 370 on the number line, and therefore 307 is lesser than 370. We will move on to next problem, that is 98,765, 56,789. Now you can observe here, compared to 98,765, 56,789 is the smallest number. So 56,789 is left of the 98,765. Therefore 56,789 is on the left of 98,765. Therefore 56,789 is lesser than 98,765. The same way we will move on to next problem, that 98,30,415 and 1,23,001 they have given. By easily you can identify that 98,30,415 is on the left of the 1,23,001. Here 1,23,001 is the greater, and 98,30,415 is the smaller. So automatically 98,30,415 is on the left of 1,23,001. Therefore 98,30,415 is lesser than 1,23,001. Next we will go through 8th main. You can see here they have given which of the following statements are true and which are false. They have given few statements. We have to find out which are true and which are false. In that, first one is 0 is the smallest natural number. Is it correct? 0 is the smallest natural number? No, it is false. Why? Means the natural numbers are begin from 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinite number. So 0 is not a smallest natural number. So it is false. So it is false. In the same way, the second one is 400 is the predecessor of 399. Observe carefully here. The predecessor of 399 is 400. No, it is wrong. The predecessor of 399 is 398. 400 is successor of 399. Therefore, this statement is what? False. In the same way, next C statement, 0 is the smallest whole number. Yes, obviously 0 is the smallest whole number because the whole numbers are begin from 0, 1, 2, 3 till infinite number. So 0 is the smallest whole number. It is true. Next the statement D, 600 is the successor of 599. Yes, 600 is successor of 599. It is true. Next we move on to statement E. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. You can see all natural numbers are whole numbers. Yes, all the natural numbers are whole numbers. It is true. Next we will move on to statement F. All whole numbers are natural numbers. Is it correct? No. Is it false? Why means 0 is not a natural number, but in the whole number 0 will takes place. So all whole numbers are not natural numbers. It is false. Next we will move on to statement G. The predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single-digit number. Is it correct? The predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single-digit number. The predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single-digit number. It is false. Why means, for example, it is false. If you take example means the predecessor of 2-digit number, the 10 is a 2-digit number. The predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single-digit number means you can see here the predecessor of 10 is 9, but 9 is a single-digit number. So this statement is what? False. Next we will move on to H statement. You can see here 1 is the smallest whole number. 1 is the smallest whole number? No, it is false. 0 is the smallest whole number. It is false. Now we will move on to I statement. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. The natural number 1 has predecessor. 1 has no predecessor. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. The natural number will begin from 1. So there is no predecessor for 1 in a natural number. This statement is true. Next we will move on to J statement. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. It is false. Why means the whole number 1 has predecessor, that is 0. The whole number has 1 has predecessor, that is 0. Next we will move on to K statement. You can see here the whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. Is it true? 13 lies between 11 and 2. It is false. 13 will come after 12. So this statement is false. Next we will move on to L statement. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. Yes, it is true. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. It is true. Next we will move on to M statement. The successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. The successor of 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. It is false. Why means if you take 99, the successor of 99 is, if you add 1 to this number means you are going to get 100. So the successor of 99 is not a 2-digit number here. So the successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. It is false. I hope you understood about exercise 2.1 all the problems, children. If you have any doubt you can ask. Thank you, children. Bye bye.